Comparing the Altura mini tripod gone to a cheaper version unbranded. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome here. This is Jose Velez from CreaZion Tech. Okay, so right at the back, they do work the same. Tripod, that you can attach the camera, but let's get it right out of the way. The Altura is $15. This one is from 5 to 10. But why should I get? Get the Altura. Is worth the extra $5 or whatever is more, because this is too cheap it's gonna break easily. It doesn't have the grip and it's wibbling, not stable, it's moving around. So I will not recommend that. Right at the back, get the Altura. It's a nice one. And you can put the camera a 90-degree and up, so pretty nice. Okay, so let's put it the tripod with the camera, and this is a T5I Canon, and it had the big length 18 to 135, and this one is heavy. So the camera is heavy right now. It's, I don't know, 2.5 pounds, 2 pounds. It's heavy. This thing holds up to 3 pounds. And there you have it there. See, very sturdy. The bottom here you can adjust. So you can even be vlogging like this, and right away you can put it down and then keep talking to the camera, or change it to different setting. So turn this back again, or change it here, whatever you need to make videos like this. See, very sturdy. So, and this thing is rubber, feel nice, and it has here those little pads that if you put it on glass or any surface, will stay very sturdy. So, goodbye. The R2 Wave, you can use it like this, but I prefer to use it like this. Let me tie it up. And then I can open the camera and use it like this. And for vlogging, it's perfect. And then if I had to set it up as a tripod, just open here, and you have this button over here that you can control, and you can put it up. See? So it's very, very useful, and it's very sturdy, and this thing will hold the camera. If you tie this up here, it will be very, very, very nice. Also, it had this hole here so you can attach something, so you can put it on your back. And it's very small, so that's why I love this tripod. is with me all the time. See, this thing in any place, fit in any place. This one, do the same, but this thing is going to move, see? So for a cell phone, it could be fine, but for a camera, I do not recommend this, okay? So it's the imitation, but it's feel very cheap and it's gonna break soon, so spend the extra money and get the Altura. Links down below. And you have this addition that you can put it in your bag. So this feels so, see, I can put it in any place right away. Do not take much space, see? Or if I have that, that is no a good way to go. Then I can put it in my strap and still carry that, and it's not too bulky. That's why I love the Altura. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned, subscribe, smash the like, and see you next time with more reviews, more tips, more settings for cameras, for videos, for pictures, for stuff to put it around, because I've been collecting and why not share it now. So thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.